Who's ready for pizza? Are you guys ready? Okay, so we have a few things that we look for in pizza deliveries. We look for fast, we look for cheap, we look for hot, and I think that's it. Oh, and flavor and all that stuff, but I'm not tasting anything. So we're looking for who's the fastest, who's the cheapest, and which one came the hottest to my house. All right, so we're gonna order those pizzas right now on the apps, and then we're gonna wait for all the pizzas to arrive and to show you the results. You guys ready? Okay, today we're doing Domino's, Papa John's, and Pizza Hut. Let's get it on. Okay, I got all my notes here. The last pizza just arrived. You're not gonna believe this either. All right, so let's see. So the winner for fastest delivery amongst Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's was Pizza Hut. Came in at 32 minutes. Okay. And then Domino's came in at 50 minutes. And then Papa John's came in at 47 minutes. So Pizza Hut wins for the fastest, okay? Now for the hottest. Who came in the hottest? Pizza Hut was 135 degrees. Papa John's was 136. And Domino's wins at 142 degrees. Domino's delivered the hottest pizza. Not really sure how far the stores are, so that may play into the temperatures. But anyway, let's see here. Now let me bring you in close and I'll show you all three pizzas and let's see which one looks the best. Okay guys, so let's look at all the pizzas. I got them all right here. This was the fastest, this was the hottest. Let's see which one looks the best. Ready? We're gonna open it up. That is Pizza Hut right there. That is Papa John's, famous for their garlic dip. And then this one over here is Domino's. Well, I think they're pretty similar. I don't see a big difference. It looks like Papa John's has a thicker cheese than the rest of these, doesn't it? Okay, so it looks like it has the most pepperoni too than the other two, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna tear these apart. But I just wanna go by looks. I really don't like Papa John's, but it kind of looks the best. That looks the crappiest. Look how big that space is. There are pieces here. Look at that. There's like 2 inches that don't even have, and there's 2 inches over there, and there's an inch over there. There's not enough pepperoni on this pizza. This one's good. That one's good. All right, let's look at these one at a time. You ready? Good. All right, here's the rules. We're taking all the pepperonis off. You'll see some are kind of cut in half. See, let me pull it out. We're going to lose a little bit of cheese on it, but there's one that's been cut in half. I'm going to put it over here. That's considered one pepperoni. Like these where they cut the pizza. That's 2. We're going to grab those. That's going to be 1 pepperoni, okay? Counts as 1. Let's find out how many we got. Okay, we took off all the pepperonis. We kept the cheese as much as possible on the pizza still. It looks like we have 40 pieces of pepperoni. So now we're gonna scrape the cheese. This is Domino's pizza. We're gonna scrape the cheese and we can't separate cheese from sauce. So there's gonna be some sauce, but most pizzas don't have any sauce. So you have nothing to worry about. So we're gonna scrape it and weigh the cheese. Okay, we've done all our tearing apart. We've got 40 pepperonis and 7.1 ounces of cheese. That's all the cheese scraped off the large pepperoni pizza. Now let's go check out that. That's Domino's. So let's go to the next one. Okay, this is Papa John's. And I said it looked like it had more than everybody else. This has 41. It beat Domino's by 1 pepperoni. And then this is 5.3 ounces of cheese. That's it. The other one on Domino's was 7. So let's bring in Pizza Hut, which I thought was the worst. So I thought this pizza looked the worst when it arrived. And it probably is. It only has 31 pieces of pepperoni. Not even close to the other ones. The other ones beat it by like 10 pepperonis. And this cheese, only 3.1 ounces of cheese. That makes Domino's had twice as much cheese as this did. No wonder this arrived first, because there was a bunch of crap. There was nothing on it. All right, guys, so I made a little chart to show you how everything turned out. Let's review the numbers. Okay, so Domino's had the hottest pizza at 142, the most cheese at 7.1, and missed Papa John's pepperoni by 1 pepperoni, and came in at 50-minute delivery, which was the longest. But it seemed to be packed with the most stuff, other than the 1 pepperoni. So then you got Papa John's, only 5.3 ounces of cheese. So you can see here, and then you can see the costs. As you can see, the most expensive is Pizza Hut, and it was the crappiest pizza, had the least amount of pepperonis, the least amount of everything. Cheese, pepperonis. And then Domino's, it had the hottest pizza, the cheapest price, and the most cheese. It was only lacking by 1 pepperoni to Papa John's. So, in my opinion, Domino's is the winner. Did not see it coming. I didn't know who it would be. So there you go. You make your own decisions by what I showed you, and the facts are the facts. All right, I love you. I'll see you on the next episode.